Nkurɔfoɔ bebree na toda mu bisa sɛ yɛwɔ app bi wɔ hɔnom a ɛtumi ma sika mpampaa na real money. Yes, yɛwɔ app bi wɔ hɔ saa a ɛtumi ma real money wɔ abere a ebi wɔ hɔ a wohwɛ game anaasɛ wobɛkɔ live anaasɛ bi a wobɛyɛ investment, wobɛyɛ deposit, wobɛyɛ savings, wode wo sika bɛto hɔnom na abere a wo sika no da hɔnom no na ɛnya profit de ma wo. Nti yɛwɔ app bi wɔ hɔ saa na mmom nyɛ app nyinaa na ɛma real money sɛnea wɔka no. Yɛwɔ top secret bi wɔ hɔnom a ɛwɔ sɛ wohu ansa na woayusi saa nneɛma no. I don't promote illegal content in my videos. Nti video a mede bɛkyerɛ wo nyinaa no ɛyɛ video a wo practice a wowɔ Ghana hanom a biribi a woyɛ bia no wonim deɛ woyɛ. Ɛnɛ no merekasa fa app a yɛfrɛ no Achieve. Ɛno ɛna merekasa fa ho ɛnɛ da yi. Wei yɛ app bi a sɛ wode wo sika to hɔnom a woyɛ savings a the more a woyɛ savings no wode wo sika to hɔ no na make you profit. Make you profit. Nti sɛnea ɛte na asɛ deɛ wotɔ shares no saa ɛna ɛteɛ. The more a wo sika no da hɔ no na wonya profit edi firi ho. Nti saa na app wei ɛteɛ. Nti sɛ woyɛ student a ɛna na meka no, woyɛ student a wobɛtumi ayusi app wei de ayɛ savings na atumi aboa wo bebree. Na wo school fees du so a wotumi de atua. Nti hwɛ description no mu, mede link no bɛtum sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a wobɔ link no so a ɛde wobɛkɔ hɔ straight na woatumi adownload app no na wo nso so woatumi ayusi app no bi. Na wohwɛ description no mu a me videos ni nyinaa link wɔ mu. Click bi so na hwɛ na ɛmmoa wo di m'akyi na videos a mede brɛ wo no wowɔ Ghana ha a wonim deɛ woyɛ. Mede wadu Ortega Enterprise. Yɛse bra wo car part ho nneɛma nyinara. We are available for you. Na wahwɛ store nim. Nneɛma egum. Car no ɛhen ɛna asɛe. Nneɛma bɛn na asɛe wom. Yes, wohwɛ a tie, engine, anaasɛ wo backlight na asɛe, wo front light na asɛe, ɛdɛn na asɛe paa wɔ car nim. Frɛ number na egu screen so sisi a na ɛni nkita ho. Nti app ni Achieve. Nti ɛno ani sɛ wabie app no. Wobie app na mede kyerɛw beginning. Mede kyerɛw for beginning. Wobie a sei na ɛteɛ. So let's get started. We are now coming to sign in. Yes, we are now coming to sign in. So you log in. You don't have any account with this app yet, so you create new account. Create a new account. All right. So you enter your email address here. Your first name and your other name. That's your last name. Enter your number here. So if you are watching this video and you are not in Ghana, I'm doing this video from Ghana. So if you are not in Ghana, you select your country code. Select your country code here before you type in your number. So I'm in Ghana, so I choose +233. Then type in my number. Then my password. Choose a password. Alright, so you scroll down here, then you click on accept. So you open your Gmail account, update. Yes. So this is the password that have been sent to my Gmail account. So I am to confirm it here. So this is the OTP code that we want. Yes, so you keep it in mind, the OTP code. So let's go back here. You continue. Alright, you're welcome, Frederick. So we are to enter some details and save it here. So let's choose our username. Alright. So how did you hear about this Achieve? So if it's a friend who introduced to you, or you heard it yourself, or through social media, you can go ahead and choose it. So I will choose a friend. All right, save it. So what brought you to achieve? Yes. So if you want to save, or you want to use US dollars for donation investment, so we are here to choose the first one. Yes. Your flexible mutual fund and investment, perfect for your short-term needs. So we are here to save. So you choose the first one. All right. So you read all these things, then you get started. All right. So you fill in your investor profile, your marital status, I'm single, residential status, I reside in Ghana, your address, all right, occupation, student, your next of kin, put in a name for your next of kin. All right, the date of birth of your next of kin. So just put in, then the phone number of your next of kin. You save and continue. All right, so you put in your Ghana card number. You put in your Ghana card number. Don't forget, if you are in Ghana, as I said, you can put in your details. But if you are not watching this video from Ghana, you can just put in your country card number. So let's go and put in my Ghana card number here. The expiring date for the Ghana card is 2030 first 10th. All right. Place of issue, Accra. So you take a selfie. Tap and add a selfie pic. I'm taking a selfie pic for myself. All right, so it's because I'm using these tutorials to teach you, that's why I'm doing this. So you just add your pic to it. It said tap to add picture of your Ghana card. Tap to add picture of your Ghana card. So we are going to upload the Ghana card. If you have some on your phone, you can go to gallery. But if you don't have some, you can just snap one. So I'm going to my gallery to check. I have one of my pictures there. Yes. Let's select this one. Put it down there. All right, so you wait for it to upload, then you save and continue. Send a mature or no. Send a who upload your Ghana card new details no. What you say? This app is very real and convenient. So follow me. Follow me. Let me teach you digital marketing. Anytime I upload video, you will get notification. It's when you're investment making app. You just put your money there, save your money. The more I will see Canada hono, na unya investment, unya profit, free. So save and continue. Yes, employment details. Employment status. Are you employed or you are non-employed? So you can just put in here. If you are non-employed, you can just type in your annual income, just straightforward. So your annual income is just below 500 cedi because you are non-employed. Save and continue. Expected account activities. Your primary source of income, your business process, your personal savings, yes, inheritance, gift or card. So I will choose personal savings because you are not employed. Secondary source of your income, you can just leave it. Expected top of frequency, so you can just choose weekly. So expected top up amount, yes, so how much do you want to add to this savings activity? So I can just say 20 cedis a week. Expected withdrawal frequency, so I can just say monthly. Expected withdrawal amount, so I can just say maybe 100 cedis. Yeah. Investment personal. What type of investor are you? So you choose. All right. Save and continue. All right. You have to scroll down here, scroll down and click on accept. So you name your account. Name your account. So you name your account. Provide a name for your investment account. So I will say my savings. My savings record. Continue. So this is my dashboard. Now that your investment account is ready, how about you making that first deposit? Just enter the amount you want to make now. So if you don't have any money in your account right now, you can just type not now. Yes. So anytime you want to top up, you can just click on top up at the down bottom here to add money here. If you want to withdraw, you can just withdraw the money anytime. So this is my dashboard for my Achieve investment. So I have no money right now in my Achieve dashboard. Yes. So this is how it is. The more you save here, the more profit you get. As your money is here, the more profit you get. Guys, trust me, and you can make money out of it. So if you are a student, you can just use this app to make money for yourself. And individual, you can just use this app to make money for yourself. Thank you very much for following. Just practice what I've told you. I'll bring you more videos that you follow. If you are in Ghana here, you know exactly what you are doing. Thank you very much for following.